unboxing of the kit for curious set. Let's start with the manual. In this manual, it is written kit contents. That means all the contents in this kit is written in this manual. Let's keep this aside for a moment. In this box, I guess there is a book. As we can see, there is a booklet with many projects we can make. Starting with HIW batteries and other batteries. Let's end up with this booklet a bit later. So let's see the content in this kit. As we can see, there is a wheel, which is written here. Wheel and a motor. Right here. Wheel and a motor. There is one wheel and one motor. Now, what do we get here? There are some magnets. These magnets are part of these circle magnets right here. And right here, if you can see, there is a solar panel and a motor. Here are a few 4B fans, 4B propellers, which are quite small, much smaller than the 3B propellers. Right here we have some LED bulbs, many kinds of colors and shapes. Here there are some nuts and bolts, and as you can see, there are some sticking magnets to them. These are the small magnets in this part. And let's go back to this one. There are some rubber bands right here. Some other kinds of magnets or something, and some nuts and bolts. Let's see, right here. Here are some motors. Looks like the red ones are these toy motors and the yellow one is the van motor, or the real motor as you might say. These ones look like they are transistors, and let's see where it is. Right here, resistors. Okay. And finally, there are copper and zinc plates right here. So, after this box, let's go to the next one. In this box, there must be something like the other thing here. So, as you can see, at first you notice these fans, I know. These propellers are 3B propellers, much bigger than the early propellers which we had, and in a smaller quantity. And now you can see some switches. These are a load of switches. I will show you the parts of these switches a bit later now. Now go back to the batteries. These batteries are, let's see. They must be these AA batteries. Let's see. Yeah, they are AA batteries, and these are HIW batteries. And there are another pair of these motors, yellow ones and the red one. This time the yellow ones are some other kind of motors. These ones, there are motors. And now right here we have some crocodile clips, or anyway clip as it's written right here, and some 2B propellers. We'll get to that later. Right here are some compartments. These are AA cell holders, and these are also AA cell holders. I guess they are for 2 batteries. These are only for 1. And these are for the HIW batteries. Some wires, copper wires, other kind of wires right in here. Right here is the copper wire. And what have we done? Here is a buzzer. It kind of beeps when we press the switch. And a screwdriver. Right here. One only screwdriver. So that's how we get to it. And now let's get to those switches as I told you. Switches and this packet. So, if you open up the switches packet, you can see a whole lot of switches. And there are these small push switches. These ones, on-off switches. Both are quite big. All the same. Let's move these ones away. These are like those slide switches. You can slide it on and off. And finally, these are some crocodile clips, and as I told you, there are these crocodile clips, two lead propeller fans. This is for the buzzer, and right here is also for the buzzer, and some small other items. These are some pulleys, small pulleys, and another crocodile. So that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel.